Happy New Year, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Tech Shenanigans. It's gonna be a good year. Let's get it.
This right here is a hard drive. It's a 60 gig SATA small 2.5 inch hard drive. This is a hard drive that I acquired from an old laptop that I had to take apart to demonstrate to some Cub Scouts the parts of a computer, and the guy who owned the laptop let me keep the hard drive, and yeah, I did a little bit of a beating on it. I don't know about y'all, but I don't think hard drives are supposed to sound like that. You see that little speck right there? That came out of the hard drive. So I'm pretty sure the platters in this thing are dust. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna find out. All right, so we have the drive right here, and I'm gonna grab a towel because there's probably a ton of dust that's gonna come out of there. I think when my parents were cleaning the basement, they took my towel because now I don't have a towel to set this on. But yeah, let's just use my cleaning cloth. If you can look close, you can probably see that it is bent. We got a bulge there. It looks like a major impact happened right there. Another dent right where the platters sit. Man, this hard drive went to World War I, World War II, Vietnam, 9/11. This hard drive went through it all. So yeah, let's crack her open. I hope I didn't strip the screws badly in the process of destroying it, because that would be bad, very bad. I got all the screws out pretty easily. This one did put up a little bit of a fight though, but that's probably because it's the one where a huge impact happened. But yeah, let's get some light on this situation before we continue. Okay, so it looks like these top screws are now off, but wait a minute. Is that a secret screw right there? There's a couple of Torx screws on the bottom here. Let's remove those. All right, and I think that's just for the main board here. Yep, that came off pretty nicely. What do I do with this? Toss it. And then we do have one more screw right there. So now, can we finally open up the drive? Oh, it's coming off, it's coming off. Oh, there's just like metal shards everywhere. It's like glitter. Oh, no. Oh, that's like foam. Very nice. Oh, it's coming off. Oh no, we got like little metal bits coming out. Oh, sweet Jesus Christ. Is that safe to touch? Stop biting me and open up. Ow! It bit my fingernail. Come on. Yeah, that side does not want to come out. I'm pretty sure there's like one screw in here somewhere that's holding it all in place still. There's gotta be a better way to... Jeez, look at all these shards, man. That's where all the data was. Wait. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I think I got it. She's free. Oh my God. Oh, it's in like the cracks on here too, like it's down here. And then on the sides here, oh my God. Yeah, this circular area is where the platters were supposed to sit, but hell no, they ain't sitting there no more. I kind of want to put this back together after we get all the shards cleaned out and just like play it into a computer and see what happens. Let's get all these shards out. Oh my God, it's glass. It's like a mirror shattered. I could try to like bend it back to a normal looking form, but I'm not taking the time to do that. Oh, you can see there's like a mark there. There's like a slash here too, but that's probably because of my, oh wait, no, that isn't from that. Damn, this thing took a beating. I screwed it in. It looks pretty normal again, sort of. All right, here's our main board right here. I honestly don't think we need all these screws, so introducing the screw jar. This has the most random screws you can imagine. There's 2 bags of screws in here. These screws could just... There we go. Maybe once I get this jar full, I'll probably do something special. Let's go ahead and plug this hard drive into a computer to see if it even still works. Okay, so here's the drive. This is a Dell Dimension 4700, and I have it hooked up to the power because we don't need the data cable. And yeah, we're just gonna power it up and see what happens. Okay, that's it is not working. Well, yeah, it's dead. Just like, gotta get as much stuff off there as possible. Looking much better now. So what did we learn from this video? Don't smash your hard drive. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, because I got a ton of more videos coming this year, and yeah. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.